Can we change Instagram notification ringtone on an iPhone? If you're tired of hearing the same old ringtone every time you get an Instagram message or notification, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram notification ringtone and messages sound on your iPhone, so let's get started. First things first, open the settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on notifications. Now, once you've done that, simply scroll and find Instagram and make sure allow notification has been turned on. After you've done that, simply tap on Instagram notification settings. Here you can simply customize what type of notification you'd want. You'll see a different type of notification like post stories, followings, messages, calls and more. Choose which one of the notification you'd want and toggle that option on. You can repeat the same process for each and every one. Once you've customized your notification, now let's go to settings on your phone. Now go back and simply tap on sounds and haptics. Once you tap on that, you'll find various options to simply change the notification sound. You can see text tone, simply tap on that. This is for Instagram DMs and ringtone. Tap text tone to change the sound for Instagram messages, or tap ringtone to change the sound for other notification like comments or likes. Now you've done that, simply choose a new sounds from the list of ringtones or text tones, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram notification and message ringtone on your iPhone.